Hello guys, in front of me is Motorola E6S and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse Google image search on this device. So in this device there is two ways, by Google Lens and by the web browser, and now I will show you the first one. So we have to open the gallery of your device and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one. Now open this photo and how you can see there we have a small Google Lens icon. Just tap on it. How you can see now the Google Lens looking for similar or the same photo automatically. Okay, now the second way, we have to open the web browser and go to google.com. Now it's very important thing, just switch your desktop your web browser to the desktop mode. How you can see now the small camera icon appears, so tap on it. Now choose upload a photo. Add permission to the gallery and choose the photo again that you want to search. I will choose that one. Now Google looking for similar photos. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.